Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of OBS Studio keeps crashing on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing. OBS Studio is used for recording your screen and it uses the graphics card drivers. So typically you should have a dedicated graphics card driver. Search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list for display adapters and you should have a good enough dedicated graphics card driver. If you do, right click and update the driver. Now if you do not, then you can right click and update the existing drivers to make sure that you have the latest version. And if you're using a desktop, then you can add a graphics card driver. This is one part of the issue. The second one is that if you do not have that, okay, now here's the thing. In most probability it wouldn't be that you are using a 4K computer and you do not have a graphics card driver and then OBS is picking the 4K screen and all. I don't assume that such a thing usually happens, because if a person had a monitor of that level, the person would also have a graphics card driver. But anyway, click on file, select settings, go to video and reduce the video quality a little. Also reduce FPS to 24 NTSC, and I'll tell you why. Because if you were to use it for the camera or camera recording or for slow motion and things, then you could have used 60 FPS. But if you are recording your screen, I see no reason to select any option above 24 NTSC, because 24 FPS is the common FPS value at which our eye perceives things. Okay, then click on apply and OK to save the settings. So is there anything else that you can do from your end? Obviously you can update Windows, so right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates. And trust me, all the solutions are redundant. Other websites and channels will mention like countless of them, they are just redundant. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.